Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Info Master. Today, we're diving into a beast from Yamaha that's got everyone talking, the brand new Yamaha Yzf-R9. If you're into sports bikes and looking for that perfect balance between power and agility, this one might just be your next favorite. Let's get into it. Design. When it comes to the design of the 2025 Yamaha Yzf-R9, Yamaha has given it an aggressive and sporty look. You can clearly see the signature R-series styling that has been a hallmark of Yamaha's sport bikes. The first thing you notice is the front fascia. The bike features twin LED headlights that are sharp and focused. These headlights give the bike an aggressive stance, and combined with the aerodynamic bodywork, they reduce air resistance and enhance performance. Engine and performance. Now, coming to the heart of this machine, the engine. The Yzf-R9 is powered by a 3-cylinder 890cc engine. It's got that sweet cross-plane crankshaft, which Yamaha fans already love, right? This thing pumps out around 115 horsepower, and the torque delivery? Super smooth and punchy, just how you'd expect from Yamaha. Whether you're zipping through city streets or hitting the twisties, this bike gives you that immediate response when you twist the throttle. Handling and suspension. Let's talk about handling. With the lightweight chassis and fully adjustable KYB suspension, the R9 handles like a dream. Whether you're cornering at high speeds or weaving through traffic, the bike feels planted and responsive. I've taken it through a few sharp corners, and trust me, it's confidence-inspiring. The ergonomics are sporty, but still comfortable enough for those longer rides. Technology and features. Yamaha's packed the R9 with a lot of tech too. You've got a full-color TFT display that's crisp and easy to read. The quick shifter comes standard, making those clutchless shifts feel smooth and fast. Plus, there's a bunch of rider aids, traction control, slide control, and a couple of different riding modes to suit your style, whether you're cruising or pushing it to the limit on the track. Braking and safety. Of course, with great power comes the need for great braking. The R9's equipped with dual front discs and a single rear, and Yamaha's ABS system works like a charm. You feel in control, whether you're braking hard on dry pavement or riding in less than ideal conditions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Yamaha Yzf-R9. Until next time, ride safe and take care.